Hello, I'm Sean, GWS. Today just doing a little video to advertise. I have got 3 of these Airpole machines. I've been cleaning roofs using this system now for 6 years. I was probably one of the very first ones in the UK to use this system. And now, over the last 18 months, a few other companies are on the scene selling different versions. A couple of the companies are actually using this machine. So I've got 3 of these. I'm selling 2 of the machines. Okay, they both run fine. You might be thinking, why are you selling them then? Well, 3 of the machines, I'm going to keep one as a spare. And in a few months' time, there's a new machine coming out, which is very expensive, but it's going to be a lot better than these machines. A lot more reliable, better on fuel, quieter, totally different. So I'm selling 2 machines to fund money towards a new machine. These machines have been brilliant. You can go on my YouTube channel, you can see it on the van. GWS Services Gutter Cleaning. Have a look, me and my wife, the job's what we've done. With this setup now, you can buy it off me for £3,000, but I do have another setup as well, in case you wanted that one also. I think this hose reel here, it's about 50 metres. This was about 500 odd pound. It's very, very expensive. It's heavy, heavy duty. I'm sure it's 50 metres. This air compressor, you can buy these from a company called FPS Compressors in Oxfordshire if you wish to. They're the ones who I ring for help or spare parts. Really good company to deal with. Really good. There may be other companies that sell them in the UK, I'm not sure, but FPS. Also with this package you get everything. There's the airline, the over 8 pole. This is a 30-foot pole. This does for most jobs. Because of the shape of it, when you've got it in your hands, don't move about. We've used them, fantastic. So you can't go wrong. You can buy spares for them from Streamline, based in the south of England, or probably other companies will sell spares as well. Really, really good pole. This is 30 foot. We've got a 45-foot pole, we've got a 60-foot. Right, the airhead. A few companies sell the airheads now. This is the one with the machine. This is from a company you can order bits and bobs from. Looks really nice, it's heavy. I think it's about 450 grams in weight. You can move the head, adjust it in loads of different positions. That just slides in there like that, connect it up, and you're away. Again, various companies sell different ends for these. So that's what you get, all that lot of the connectors for it. So that'll get you going. But, just show you these, what I use. This is my preferred head after 6 years, who actually invented the Airpole system. This is the head I use. It's probably less than half the weight of the one I just showed you. It's really heavy duty, nothing's gone wrong with it. And when you're working for a long time, that extra weight with a pole extended, this makes hell of a difference. Again, they sell different brushes. And personally, after all my experience, I prefer this way. Other people might prefer the way they do it. But all I can give you is my personal opinion from myself and my wife. We prefer this setup. It's smaller, it's easy to manoeuvre about behind chimneys, everything like that. Everything can be adjusted. So the company do sell these. If you do have an Airpole system now, you can actually buy this head off the company. They will sell you this without buying the full system, and also the brushes, different size brushes. That's our go-to anyway, this one. Everything can be bought separate if anything breaks on it. Really, really good. The machine I'm selling does come with the one I showed you first though. And the second machine I'm selling will come with one of the blue heads I just showed you. See that? I have advertised this on eBay and Facebook Marketplace. So you can have a look. What I'm going to start doing soon, I've been cleaning since 1999. So soon I'm going to start doing some videos actually, because I get a lot of questions. How I set up, why do I do what I do? Any bits where it's good, bad points. So I will be doing a lot of videos, I think, coming up shortly. Okay, so thank you for now, Sean GWS. Again, you can look at my website, gwsservices.com. There's loads of things on there what we do. Me and my wife, we do everything ourselves. We made our own website, and then I've done all my own YouTube stuff by learning. No one's helped me. So again, GWS Services Gutter Cleaning. Thank you. See you, bye.